Man, this shop is looking very good. Ty, what do you think? Would you do that again?
Nope. Jumping into the ground.
Me neither. Welcome to the Buckhorn shop. Today we have an awesome video ready for you. We're gonna go clean out the shop. Who knows what we're gonna find in there? I bet there's some crazy things. Stick around to find out. Okay guys, we're here at the shop. We're just gonna take you on a little bit of a tour of the shop, kind of get the layout of it. The shop's a 40 by 80. Here on the west side, like I said, we got this man door, and then a 12 by 12. Maybe it's 14 by 14. We can step that off right now. by 14. So that's a 14 by 14 foot roll-up door on this side. I believe on the other side it's an even wider door. So we'll take you over there. All right, so here on the east side of the shop, just step this door off. It is 18 feet wide, and I'm sure 14 foot high. So 18 wide, 14, maybe it's 18 high. It could be higher. And we have a man door on this side. So that is the outside of the shop. Again, it's a 40 by 80 shop. So a really big shop. I think that's 3,200 square feet. And now we're gonna go on the inside. All right, Ty, take us inside. All right, here we are. As you can see, it is a mess in here. Honestly, it's kind of overwhelming how much stuff there is in here and how much that we got to get cleaned up. So I think we're going to do it in sections, kind of video the section, show you what we got, throw away the trash, keep the good, and we'll bring you along the way. All right, so me and Ty trying to come up with a game plan. I think we're just gonna first go through and just try to get rid of as much of the garbage and trash as possible. So I'm gonna back the truck in here, put you guys up on a shelf somewhere, and we'll video us just trying to get as much of the garbage out of this shop as we possibly can.
Breaking it would have been a better idea.
Got a lot of the crap out of here. We need to make some room for this bag of garbage in the truck. So we're gonna go make a dump run, come back, get this thing cleaned up as best we can today. All right, we're back. We got an empty truck, but we went and picked up a couple things. We got a leaf blower and an actual push broom. All right, guys, we just finished up cleaning up the shop for today. We still have a long ways to go in here, but we made a pretty good dent. This is day 2 of cleaning up the shop. So we're gonna try to get as much of the crap out of there as we can. All right, we are making some progress. You can see we've gotten a lot of the boxes and trash out of the way. Our next area that we're gonna focus on is right over here. All right, guys, we made some more progress over here. We got a lot of this table cleaned off, went through, found the tools. So we had some visitors, my wife and the boys came up, and then also Buckhorn Ranch, they showed up for a second to kind of help us. Our next area is gonna be this right here. All right, guys, we are finished for the night. We put a couple hours of work in today. That took 2 days, but we still had a long ways to go. We'll take you on a little tour of the shop now that we got it a little bit cleaned up. guys, we're gonna wrap up our video for you today. Me and Ty, we put some hard work in the last couple days, right Ty?
Freaking very hard work.
If you liked what you saw on this video today, please like and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more projects on the way. Also, give us a rating. 1 out of 10. Would you let us clean your shop? Let us know. This is the Buckhorn Shop. Pound it.
Pound it again.
Pound it again. There's oil in it.
I do not know what I was doing right now.
I thought you could farm in the desert. Awesome. What I noticed right off the bat, we got a turbocharger. Look at all these wires.